my research is in deep learning, which is the main driving force of AI. I use it both practically, and I also analyze it theoretically. The applications resulting from my research include new techniques for developers that want to use AI but with small data, new tools for generative AI, especially for 3D generation, techniques for AI that can be used for scientific discovery, and new imaging systems.
We develop deep learning models for artificial intelligence applications, and we focus mostly on high-level computer vision that combines vision and language. Recently, the classical workflow of machine learning has changed. We now have pre-trained large-scale models called foundation models. In our lab, we develop new ways to take these internet-scale models and personalize them so you can use it with your own data. It allows you to benefit from the distribution of all data on the web and adapting that for your data.
My subject of research called CoreSet, core like a kernel and set like a group. And essentially, instead of solving famous problem, we reduce the input and solve the problem on the small input much faster. Our technique is to reduce the data instead from millions of points to few points, and then solve the problem on the small data much faster. And the question, how to reduce this data, how to select this small subset, is our main research and the million-dollar question we try to answer.
Today, deep learning relies on special hardware for AI, accelerated parallel computing that's called GPUs, and we have top-of-the-line large computing infrastructure. And thanks to the IDSI and the Bar-Ilan University Data Science Institute, we have this large computing infrastructure and storage so we can run our research.
One of the unique things in Tel Aviv University is that it's very diverse, and therefore I have lots of options to do collaborations with many researchers that can lead to new breakthroughs and very interesting new results.
Since our research is about computational geometry and general algebra technique, it has many applications in drones, augmented reality, virtual reality, and especially in AI and deep learning science.
In the future, we want to go into two directions. First, we want to understand complex visual scenes. The second direction is about generating rich visual content. We want to go beyond generating still images to generate environments that are dynamic and 3D and have agents roaming in these environments.
In these days, we work in different directions. One of them is having small drones that using our course that can deliver pizza. And in parallel, we work on AI and deep learning application, like improving ChatGPT and computer vision application that today need huge machines and huge amount of data. We want to show that you can do this in your home office much better.
I think that AI will revolutionize our society. It will change significantly in many domains and in many aspects. And I think we need to prepare ourselves to this next stage, developing new tools that will help people and help our society to advance and be first in this.